Wow! Yay! Finally, masarap na sisig.
Close to you.
Hooray! I'm singing. Punta na tayo dito. The city itself, it's so bustling. Kumanta na! Do what the locals do and eat what the locals eat. Hulaan niyo kung nasaan ako ngayon. Well, I'm in the land of Sisig, Angeles City! Anyway, nandito po ako ngayon sa Angeles City para hanapin ang iba-ibang recipe ng sisig. At alamin natin kung anong merong distinction ang sisig at napaka-init at napaka-phenomenal ang dish na to sa buong Pilipinas. And guess what? Sa buong mundo. So, alamin natin at samahan niyo ako para hanapin itong mga sisig recipes na ginawa at kung paano nag-start hanggang saan nagkaroon ng maraming iba't ibang putahe ng sisig. Angeles City used to be called Colyac. It was a barrio of then, the town of San Fernando, for more than 3 decades before it became a separate municipality. In January 1, 1964, Angeles was inaugurated as a chartered city under Republic Act 3700. Angeles City used to house Clark Air Base, once considered the largest U.S. military air base outside the United States. And it was believed that during the stint of the U.S. military in the area, local residents bought unused pig heads from the commissaries of Clark Air Base for a cheap price. Since pig heads were not used in preparing meals for the U.S. Air Force personnel, naisip ng mga local residents, sayang naman. Why not make a dish out of it? And voila! Pork sisig was invented. Sisig is a well-loved Capampángan dish made from grilled pig's face, ears, cheeks, and snout, plus the liver seasoned with calamansi juice and a lot of chopped onions. It was popularized by Aling Lusing Sisig, located near the old railroad tracks in Angeles City. Miss Joy, good morning. When you say Angeles, Capampángan, and when you say Angeles, it is always associated with sisig.
Sisig is a Kapampangan dish, pero it's here in Angeles na parang na-revolutionize ba? And then dito nag-originate yung what is very popular now, the sizzling sisig. Sisig is a dish. It's described as a sour snack. So back then, it was fruits and vegetables.
Yeah.
So you want to eat something sour, you say, manyisig yang mangga.
Yeah, especially the pregnant women.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've made an ordinance declaring sisig as an intangible heritage of Angeles.
Yes.
So we're very particular. We're saying na sizzling sisig babi. Dito sa Angeles, naging very popular yon na develop. It was Benedict Pamintuan who placed it on a sizzling plate. When it was placed on a sizzling plate, yun, it catapulted na to a different level. Hindi lang taste. You can smell it, you can hear it, yung smoke.
I met Anthony Burden. I remember nag-echo to sinabi niya, Sau, you better take sisig in New York. But aside from the festival, kasama rin ang efforts to safeguard and preserve the recipe and also the manner of preparing authentic sisig. That sisig story really made me so hungry. So our next destination, makikita natin ang iba't ibang ways o paano iluluto ang sisig. So, halika na. My search for the best sisig recipe in the city starts here at Barangay Agapito del Rosario. This place where the famous sisigan area known as Crossing is located. This corner store in the area caught my attention.
Langit. Takman, no? Takman mo. Nani yan?
Ubod. Well, yung kagandahan dito sa Pampanga, lalo na sa Angeles City, sa bawat kanto makikita mo talaga yung talagang nandito pa rin buhay na buhay pa rin yung mga heritage recipe. Katulad nito si Alintak, si Aling, Apong Eli, na generations nilang ginagawa to yung mga lumpiang ubod, mga isang pelot, mga bilo-bilo, ginataan, kalamay, tsaka yung palabok. So, it's good to know na hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin sila at tinatikim nila sa akin yung nila, yung ubod, napakasarap. Thank you. Kamura nitong food daw. Ang mura ng pagkain. Dito siguro may 100 ka, pwede ka na makaraos. So, meron silang yung kamansi. Alam mo ba yung kamansi? Yung parang jackfruit ang na I think it's considered as a dying recipe as well. Dahil yung mga bata ngayon, hindi nila alam gamitin yung kamansi ngayon. At meron yun nga, meron siyang isang sisig ng puso ng saging. At saka yung tinatawag natin torta, which is considered as giniling. Ay ma, nampululuto yung ma? Kaya kaita, ibasa mo magluto. Nani, manok.
Manok yan yung fried chicken.
Ay, picture kayo kusina mo kasanting na. Ay, kamama ko. Picture na ka. Okay, 1, 2. Thank you. Kanya mana? Nakahangot. Yan ang wala pang KFC, meron ng mga fried chicken dito. Barangay Agapito del Rosario is actually the area where the famous and original Aling Lusing Sisig is located, sa Crossing, in front of the old railroad tracks. Everyone in the barangay was so excited. Sinalubong nga kami ni Kapitana. So, nandito ngayon si Aching Rowena Pelayo na gagawa siya ng special recipe na sisig. Ano gagawin natin, Rowena?
Sisig macaroni salad.
Umpisa na natin. Anong gagawin natin? Gigisa natin yung sisig. Yum.
Pwede na po natin lagyan yung
Sige,
sibuyas.
sabihin mo, kung may assistant mo, sibuyas.
Habang ginigisa po, paghahalo-haluin ko na yung ibang ingredients.
And then, anong pakahalo ate?
Yung sisig po na. Habang ginigisa po natin, lalagay na po natin yung mayonnaise na.
Lalagyan na ng mayonnaise. Wow! I like mayonnaise.
Yung all-purpose cream po natin.
All-purpose cream. And then, boiled egg.
Tsaka po yung tidbits.
We love pineapple, right? Then
cheese po, tapos yung celery, tsaka yung carrots.
ang color festive talaga. Fiesta talaga to. Kompleto na yun, salt na muna eh.
Tsaka salt.
Salt.
Di yata-
Wow, ang daming lumalabas. Baka bukas na ako matatapos. Kapitbahay! Meron
Asin.
ba kayong asin dyan, kapitbahay? Pautang muna ng asin. Yan. Ngayon sa kapitbahay ni Manyad kang Manyad.
Maraming makanyan.
Ay, thank you, kapitbahay. Okay, so lagyan na natin ng asin.
Asin yun.
Alam ba, lumay tayo, Solvay? Yan. And then, haluin ko na.
Opo, haluin.
So, pagkatapos nito, ihalo natin yung sisig. Halo mo na.
Opo.
Ito, huwag mong pahugas kasi lalagyan ko ng kanin yan mamaya. Yun ang pinakamasarap na part. Lesang le. Parang fried rice, sisig naman. Okay, done. So I think in take ni Rowena, instead of putting ham, and macaroni,
chicken.
gawa ng sisig. So it's very Filipino yung dating, which is very inventive. May cheese pa to sa taas?
Opo.
Saan yung cheese mo?
Kapitbahay yung cheese natin.
Ay, kailangan mong bigyan ng ganyan ng kapitbahay kasi nagano ka, utang ka ng utang. Okay, so ito yung finished product.
Sisig macaroni salad.
Sisig macaroni salad. Takmangke! Konting cheese, konting macaroni, maraming sisig. I see the ebon, I see the pineapple. Diyos ko! Balance. Fabulous. So, pwede ko nang take out na lang to.
Sige po.
Kapitbahay. Yung ang lalagyan sa kapitbahay. Sisig macaroni salad? Well, it turns out masarap. Very interesting indeed. Okay, ngayon papunta kami sa Barrio Tabon, which is mga 5 kilometers here. Doon natin masasaksihan yung paggawa ng sisig ng puso ng saging. My next stop, Barangay Tabon. The next sisig recipe that we'll be cooking is an original Capampángan recipe. Okay, excited na ako. Nandito tayo sa Barangay Tabon. At binunta natin, dinayo natin talaga tong lugar na to para masaksihan natin ang pagluto ng isang klaseng sisig. Ang tawag dito ay parang sisig ng puso ng saging. So, ipapakita sa atin ang step by step na paggawa ng sisig ng saging. Teka muna ha. Okay. Sige, umpisa tayo. Ano po yung unang gagawin natin?
Yung tokwa, so
Lalagyan na natin.
ilalagay lang po natin. Ang
Lagat ng
preparation
puso.
po ng ibababad po natin siya sa suka.
Para hindi mangitim.
Opo, para hindi po siya
Saka mawala
mangitim.
yung dagta. Okay, then ano po yung
And
susunod?
then,
Gigisahan
isatay na po
natin.
natin ang garlic. So, ilagay na po natin ang
Onion.
po.
Chopped onions.
Opo, chopped onion. Yung ating pong pork.
Pork.
Pwede din po natin i-add na yung, ayan po. And
Magic ingredient.
Opo.
Yan.
I-add na po natin ang ating pong hipon.
Medyo pinkish na yung shrimp. So,
Okay. Hindi siya look
how can you go
appetizing.
wrong with butter? We all love butter, right?
Opo.
Ano lang, isang gamot lang yan. Plop! Nani next?
Okay. We can add po
Yung lagat ng puso ng saging. So, lulutuin pa ng pakonti-konti.
Opo, para medyo
Para
medyo magsisling lang po siya.
Yeah,
kahit
para
papaano.
mag-render ng konti rin yung yung flavors.
Medyo
Tingnan
po.
ko siya.
So,
Yaman
po.
niya.
Okay.
Ano pa?
So, ito pong tokwa. I-add na po natin.
Okay, si Tokwa pala lalagay na.
Ilalagay po
Last
siya natin
minute.
sa last minute po.
Tapos na to, kung gusto mo ng konting moisture, pwede mo lagyan ng konting
Pwedeng,
chicken stock
Opo.
para mas malambot. So, happy nine.
Opo.
Happy nine. So, papatay na natin.
Sige po.
Sa-
Puso ng saging, sisig with tofu.
Pinaglabas pa nga talaga nila ako ng kanin. Ay, kahit ito araw-araw kong kakainin, I don't mind. This is my kind of food. Bon appetit. Ang susunod naming pupuntahan, isa rin sa mga sikat na kainan dito sa Angeles na nag-o-offer ng sisig. Eto, Mila's Tokwat Baboy. Aside from Aling Lusing, si Milas ay isa sa mga nakikilalang tokwahan at sisigan dito sa Pampanga. Very known for barbecues and may mga innards, tsaka marami pa. So, pasok tayo ngayon kay very iconic Milas Tokwat Baboy and Sisig. Wow! Ang dami ng mga celebrities, mga foodies, mga international vloggers, and nandito lahat. Siguro, yung picture ko dito. This place, every time I come here, palaki ng palaki, and in terms of sanitation, malinis. I am with the matriarch, the iconic the owner and the brain behind Mila's Tokwa at Baboy. Walang iba kundi si Mrs. Milagros Gomez.
Hello po. Hello.
I have the chance to witness kung paano niya ginagawa yung sikat na sisig from Mila's Tokwa at Baboy. Naning kwento na ning restaurant?
Una, sari-sari store. Yung nandun dun sa harap. Nung mahina ang kita ng sari-sari store, naisipan ko magtoko ang baboy. Tapos, tinaluan ko ng sisig-sisig. Ang sisig-sisig, ang naging mabili, malakas.
Anong pinagkaiba ng sisig ng Mila's Tokwa at Baboy sa ibang sisigan?
Ang sa amin, yung fried niya, deep fried. Kaya crunchy siya.
Crunchy.
Oo.
Ngayon siguro ipapakita natin kung paano mo i-prepare yung sisig.
Oo. Yung ulo ng baboy ito. Ulo ng baboy.
Ulo ng baboy.
Tapos lalagyan natin ng kalamansi.
Hawakan ko po.
Kalamansi.
Sige po. Ano po?
Saka salt.
Salt. Paminta.
Paminta. And then, patis. May
Patis.
konting patis. At saka ito, sibuyas.
Lalagay ng sibuyas.
Yun, lalagay ng sibuyas. Ihahalo na ito.
O yung portion ng onion talaga sa importante talaga ang onion.
Ang onion ko, yung hindi malalaking kuwang, pare-parehong hiwa.
One secret talaga ng mga restaurant, consistency. Diba, Nay? Pag kinain mo dito, balikan mo, ganun pa rin yung lasa.
Oo, yung pa
correct?
rin. Hindi nag-iiba. Pag nahalo ng mabuti, lalagyan na yung chili.
Chili.
Simple lang.
Simple daw, pero
Simple,
hello,
pero
masarap.
Pag nanahalo ng mabuti, lagyan natin ng margarine butter. Margarine. And ito na.
Yun. Mami, curious lang ako, ilang sisig ang nabebenta mo sa isang araw?
Hindi ko na mabilang.
Hindi mo mabilang. That means marami.
Kumisan, 100 serving.
100, imagine
hindi
ilang-
pareho.
Ilang pambok ng baboy, ilang ulo ng baboy yung 100.
Marami. Lalagay natin ito. Ready to serve na.
Ready to, yun na yun.
Oo. Ito po yung sister ni Alinida. Tikman niyo po. Adi kayo po, tikman niyo. Punta kayo rito.
Titikman natin. Ito yung
sige.
inaabangan, yung tasting portion.
O, sige.
Yung sauce, ma'am. And for the last stop para sa aking sisig hunt here in Angeles City, ito talaga kakaiba. Pork, sisig, dynamite, maki, at crispy salmon sisig. Mapapakanta ka sa sarap.
Close to you.
We are now in the heart of Angeles City, and of course, the church, the Holy Rosary Parish Church, is the iconic architecture of this city. A little trivia lang. Did you know that Holy Rosary Parish Church became a one-time an army hospital for the American soldiers during the World War II? And that yung Holy Family naman sa tabi ay yun ang naging barracks ng mga medical army ng mga Americans. So, saan sila nagmamass? Yung sa likod naman ng church, yun doon nag-held ng mga masses sa mga Capampángan. So, there goes a little trivia about the church. It's nice to walk around the city because yung parang may flashback, like si Chincochita. My mom used to buy newspaper here na binabalot pa ng dyaryo. And it's so nice, it's so iconic, even the salakot na design. siguro hindi na siya mapapalis dito because she's been here for more than 15 years or 20 years. So talagang ano na siya dito, figure na siya dito. So that's a very good touch na na-preserve siya at nandito pa rin siya. I'm happy about that. Every month of October, Angeles City celebrates not 1, not 2, but 3 feast days and 1 grand street party. Ibang-ibang Angeles City like 10 years from the past. As you could notice, ang dami ng mga establishment ngayon. The city itself, it's so bustling, kamalig, iba-iba yung tsura niya ngayon. The flow of traffic now is getting worse, but then they say, you know, this is a good development. The city is known for its good food. So I'm not surprised if all the tourists keep on coming here in Pampanga because of our delicious food and of course, yung culture natin. Well, this is it, pansit. You know, I have 2 talented young chefs now who work here in fusion, sushi, and steak street. Tama?
Yes.
Yeah, now very popular here. And of course, we came here for Japanese steak on SISIG. Sino muna?
Me.
Okay, good. So,
I'll do the pork sisig dynamite maki. I'm using half nori. Okay.
yan. Our next stage is doing the batter. Yun na yun?
Yes, sir.
Wow, look at that. So, eto na yung ano niya, yung sisig dynamite maki. Chef, ano nang gagawin nating first step sa paggawa ng salmon na sisig?
Chachap na chef yung mga sisig na.
Let's
Yung
do it.
Crunchy.
Yeah, I could hear the sound.
Yes, chef.
It's music to my ears. So, kinat mo na hindi masyadong even, may malaki, may maliit, para may
Yes, sir.
texture,
Chef, para hindi mabulunan pag malaki yung kinain.
para hindi mabulunan.
Pag malaki.
And next step is, si Chef made some dressing,
Yes, gawa.
parang sisig, ano din.
Ialam mo natin.
And then, ihalo natin.
Tapos togarashi.
Togarashi, which is the Japanese dried
Japanese.
pepper.
Yung sibuyas.
Of course,
Onion.
yung onions. Yan. Uy, nahulog. Okay, yan. Very hot na yung plate natin. Of course, yung... okay. Wow! Yeah!
Budget!
Of course, the best part really is the tasting time. And with me is the owner and the super entrepreneur, Miss Shay Reuter. Hi! I cannot wait to try it. And ang sama ng tingin niya sa akin. Dahil malaking bibig ko. It's really very orgasmic. Orgasmic. Delicious. Well done. So, thank you, Madam.
Thank you so much, Chef.
I'm so excited. So, we started from different take ng sisig to sisig sagi ng puso to ang dami, may macaroni, we even macaroni, and we end up with this fantastic dish. What a way to end our episode. Join me again next time as I discover dishes of different places and experience local flavors on my journey around the culinary capital. Mangantana! Do what the locals do and eat what the locals eat.